Good morning and welcome to a very windy Berthon. Today Sue is off to our Spanish office in Palma de Mallorca to show you around Latobe, the Oyster 72 from 2011. Enjoy!
Hello, my name's Sue Grant. Today we're having a look at the Oyster 72 Latobe, which is the X-Infinity. She's the penultimate 72 to launch, and she's here in Palma looking stunning. Benzonzoni Passerelle, this is new 2020. She originally launched in 2011 and she had a very big refit 2020-21 in this ownership. As you can see, she has been immaculately maintained ever since. And she has a very full spec for blue water. She's recently completed the Oyster World Rally, which she completed with absolutely no fuss or bother at all. There is her rib, which is an AB 14AL with a 50 horsepower on it. All in great condition, protected tubes. Nice transom steps. She's VAT paid in Europe and could be VAT paid in UK also if a new owner wished. Lovely clear decks. These Oyster 72s are remarkable yachts. They're long-legged, they're powerful, safe, and they have been far, as has this yacht. All the safety kit is up together, and there you can see a separated access to the owner's stateroom aft. We're just going to have a look on deck and walk forward. Powered winches, automated rig. She's running on a Luma Commander power pack, and she has a tunnel bow thruster for ease of handling. All of the gel coat has been treated with a ceramic treatment, so it is ultra shiny and stays that way. Spacious foredeck, really good for working the yacht and also for sunbathing and so forth. There are some eyes on the deck that can take the rib for long distance. Here's her furling rig, which is by Hall. She's got a carbon spinnaker pole. And then a conventional cutter rig, furling by Reckman. Vertical windlass, stainless steel spade anchor and ultra chain. She's got other anchors and lots of kit, as you would expect with a serious round-the-world yacht. The sails are by Dolphin. She's got a new Ullman Genoa, which has just been built for her. Here is her spar, all in great shape, recently checked, white painted aluminium. These owners took the opportunity to completely restore the teak deck, which is looking fabulous. It was done in Palma before the cruise. These yachts have a lovely deck saloon. All of this is in great condition. The Bimini was built in 21-22 and it is Weathermax. Everything else was restored, same fabric, which is just amazing and durable and looks really good. Wide side decks, and of course with the twin wheels she has great access into the cockpit, which is very large. Great for entertaining and also very, very comfortable when you are at sea. Main sheet well out of the way. And then here are the twin pedestals, which means that the helm is part of what's going on from a socialist perspective. All of the electronics were upgraded before she left. She's got Axiom, Raymarine, controls for the engine on the port pedestal. She's running on Raymarine I-70s. This is a lovely, protected, comfortable place. Wonderful cockpit table, which has a refrigerated section. Very easy access to get down into the companionway. Everything is in spectacular condition. Let's have a look down below. So, centre cockpit yacht, obviously down the main companionway steps and into this lovely main saloon. The woodwork is maple, and she's got these amazing grooved teak floors throughout, which just lift the light wood and just look tremendous. Leather upholstery and crew covers for everything, so it's all been beautifully preserved. You've got two opening windows forward, so you've always got lots of air coming through the yacht when you're in warm waters. And then down a step through the galley into the crew accommodation and or another guest cabin. Large double, heads compartment, separated shower. Lots of lovely detailing on the interior doors on this yacht. When the yacht was refitted, all the seacocks were completely redone, and some of the seacocks that were slightly less easy to get at are now electrically controlled so that they can be operated remotely, which is great. And Sea Zone was also put throughout the yacht so that she can be controlled at all stations, which has been a big improvement. Lots of storage in this cabin, which is light, airy and bright. A seating stroke berth on the starboard side. All the cabins have entertainment, and as this is the crew accommodation, she also has Raymarine readouts here. And then lovely galley, gas hob, fan assisted oven, microwave, lots of refrigeration, lovely Corian surfaces. Masses of space for storage. Twin sink. Everything's looking absolutely fabulous. Importantly, everything works. There is refrigeration on the starboard side, both freezer and fridge. Perfectly situated galley, and also part of the main saloon, which is great when you have a family yacht. So here we've got washer dryer on one side, and on the other side there's an ice maker That was replaced in 2020. And then back into this main saloon. Beneath the floor, just to the right, that comes up and you have access to the engine room. There is the Cummins, it's turbocharged 212 horsepower. And she's also got an Onan 22.5 kVA generator. Great chart table. Everything has been updated, and the communications and AV as well. She's got Raspberry Pi and Fusion, Iridium. The batteries were also replaced with AGM in 2020. And then we're coming into the guest accommodation. Upper and lower berth cabin here. Very comfortable, lots of storage, lots of room and light. You see, all the cabins have hanging lockers. So they're a great place for people who are going to be on board for some time. And then the water maker lives in here. It's a Sea Fresh. And when it's opened up, you'll see that it's been pickled. There it is. There's the panel for it. Now here is aft heads compartment. This works really well as a day head and also serves both of the guest cabins here. There's a big shower, basin, vanity, heads compartment, and it's Jack and Jill, so the cabin that we'll look at next, the double, has a door into it as well. So it's very versatile setup depending on who you have on board and all that sort of thing. There we go. Now we're into the double berth cabin, which is a lovely guest room. Again, masses of storage, lots of light and air, and really good for long-term liveaboard, doing a long passage. Or indeed local cruising. And then through a door and into the owner's accommodation. Ensuite heads, big shower. Electric towel rail. Lots of storage. And then into the owner's stateroom. Lovely sofa to starboard, double berth cabin, AV. There is also an office area just on the starboard side. Access on deck, wardrobes, cupboards. Very comfortable, and you can access the aft deck from here also, as you wish. Sea zone running there. All looking very fresh. So there is Oyster 72 Latobe for all oceans.